our roofing trade show. It's a great opportunity for our customers to pop down, meet the staff, meet suppliers, find out about new innovative products that come to the market and current ones that are already out there.
We've got some installation demos. We're talking about training and any specification questions.
We're introducing a new product to the market, and because it's a new product, some people have been surprised at what we've got to say.
We offer technical advice, we've got a little technical centre, we're going to do little details that most installers will come up against.
It's great just to get out and actually meet end users, answer questions and just see what things people are interested in.
So we've got a lot of tools at cut price today. So there's a whole range of products that really are bargains.
We're running a competition today and they've got a chance to win £15,000 worth of power tools in the grand final.
We're running a competition for 2 VIP tickets to Ascot.
We're also running a golf challenge to win an Apple Watch.
We've got some prizes to give away, so first prize being a window.
And it's also a really good opportunity to see some customers that necessarily we don't see on a day-to-day basis, put a face to the name.
It's very good to come to these places to actually speak to people face to face again.
Having a collection of suppliers creates a real collaboration of suppliers and merchants, and also bringing all the customers together for a really great day out.
It's been a really fantastic day. If you haven't popped down, come down and see us. The next year will be bigger and better.